This cocktail is called Brian's Belief. Go ahead and add your ice to your glass like so. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of rum to start out with. Here we go. 1.5 ounces of dark rum. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of dark cream de cocoa, like so. Then you're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. You can go ahead and squeeze real lemon if you have like a lemon on your side. I don't even know what that means. You can squeeze that in there, or you can use the bottled lemon like me. Now you're going to do about 4 ounces of tea, 4 ounces of tea, and a teaspoon or so of sugar, like that. Shake it all together. So that's rum, dark cream de cocoa, tea, sugar, and lemon juice. That's what a Brian's Belief looks like. Go ahead and add a cocktail straw, and you're on your way. Cheers.